Alright, in this video I'm going to look at some examples of how to evaluate expressions using order of operations. And the order of operations is parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. These are boxed off on purpose to help us remember that it doesn't matter which one comes first, multiplication or division, and addition or subtraction. It matters what order they are in order from left to right. So looking at our first expression, we're going to start and look for some parentheses. There aren't any parentheses, so we're going to go straight on to exponents. And I see 2 squared, which equals 4. And as I go, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite every single thing and just do one step at a time, because I found that that helps me stay more organized and leads to fewer mistakes. Alright, so I'm looking for any more exponents and I don't see any. So now I'm looking for multiplication or division in order from left to right. I see 9 divided by 3, which is 3. And again, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite everything one step at a time. Still looking for more multiplication and division. I see 3 times 8. Rewriting everything. Still looking for multiplication and division. Here's 24 divided by 4. And now addition and subtraction. 2 plus 6. And 8 plus 7 gives me an evaluation of this expression of 15. So let's look at another example. In this one we do have parentheses, so I'm going to go ahead and evaluate the parentheses first. I'm going to rewrite every single thing. And again, like I said, as you can almost see how this makes it a pyramid type shape or a triangle type shape, because you're getting one step smaller on every single line. And it just kind of helps you not lose track of where you are. Okay, so I'm looking for any more parentheses, don't see any, so any more exponents? I see 3 cubed, which is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. And I'm going to just go and rewrite every single step here. I don't see any more exponents, so I'm going to multiplication and division. I see one right there. Rewriting everything. Looking for more multiplication and division. There's one right up front. Still looking for multiplication and division. There's one right here. I'm doing these in order from left to right. And now I'm to the point of addition and subtraction, and I'm going to do them in order from left to right. So 3 plus 27, and 30 minus 20 gives me an answer of 10. Okay. I'm going to do a couple more. And if you'll remember, the order of operations is parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. And I'm boxing these off to help me remind me that those ones are in the same step. And let's see, let's do 4 times 3 squared minus 2. Let's put that in parentheses, plus 8 divided by 2. So when we're doing parentheses first, when we get inside the parentheses, we're looking for any more parentheses. In this case, there aren't any, but we start all over again with our order of operations within the parentheses. So there aren't any more parentheses inside them, but there is an exponent. So we're going to do the 3 squared part inside there first. So when I rewrite everything, I'm keeping the parentheses because I'm not done with inside there yet. So I'm still going back inside these parentheses and doing everything in them first. So 9 minus 2 gives me 7 in there. So basically, when I see parentheses, I go inside the parentheses, follow all the order of operations to get everything in the parentheses done, then I can go back to the rest of my expression. Alright, I don't see any more exponents, and I don't see, well, I do see multiplication right here. And I also have division right here. And remember, these come in the order that you see them from left to right. And lastly, the 28 plus 4 is 32. So there's the value of my expression. Okay, let's try one more. Let's do times 2 plus 9 times 4. Let's divide that by 2 squared. Okay, so here's our next expression. We're looking for parentheses first, and I see that right here. I'm going to rewrite everything else. I'm going to look for any more parentheses. I don't see any, so I'm to exponents. Left to right, up, there's one. And I'm going to just rewrite everything else that I see, one step at a time. I don't see any more exponents, so I'm ready to move to multiplication and division in the order I see them. Alright. And it doesn't matter that this happened to be multiplication first. If this was a division sign, I still would have done it first because it's first in the order from left to right. Alright, any more multiplication? There's one, multiplication and division. Again, order from left to right. And any more? There's one right there. And now I'm to my last step. 26 plus 9 gives me an answer of 35. So that's how you evaluate expressions using order of operations.